Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change password on Netflix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in netflix.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Netflix if you haven't already done that, of course. And of course, if you need to go and buy the subscription. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner we have the home, TV shows, movies, new and popular, my list, and browse by languages. And in the top right corner, we have your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your password on Netflix. So you need to go and firstly go and hover over your profile icon in the top right corner and select account from the drop down menu, like so, and click on account. Then what you need to go and do is click in membership and billing section. So click on membership here. And after that, we have the here, as you can see, you have the update password here, as you can see. Click on the update password, and there you need to go and enter your current password and create a new password. And of course, then click again the new password and click, of course, save. And of course, your new password will then be saved. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.